Now in the previous versions of Windows, Calculator was alright, but in Windows 7 it's new and improved, and it's pretty cool. To bring it up, just come down here and click on the Start button, and either type it in the search field or click on All Programs. Go ahead and find and click on Accessories to expand it, and then click on Calculator just right below it. First of all, the simplicity of it is just come over here and click on the numbers, and I want to say 45 minus, click on the minus. And then notice up at the top it keeps track of that number, so after I punch in a new number like 2, if I go, oh, what was I subtracting 2 from? It's right there, 45. So that's a new and improved feature here that I like. When I'm done, hit equals and it'll be 43. And then if I need that number, instead of writing it down, I can paste it within a Word document. Click on Edit, go down to Copy, and then come down here and click on Start, and I'm going to go ahead and click on WordPad to open it up. Right click and click on Paste. In fact, if I hit the spacebar a couple of times and I type in 33, I can actually select the numbers within a document, right click on it, go to Copy, go ahead and close out and not save it, come up here, click Edit to Paste, and it pastes 33 in there. Say 33 minus 2 equals 31. Of course, when I'm done, I can go ahead and click on the C for clear, and aside from using my mouse, I can actually use the keys on the keypad on my keyboard, and I can type in 45, hit the plus key, 5, and then hit enter for the equals, and that will go ahead and do the calculation there. Now if that was it, you'd be very disappointed probably, but there's more. Let me go ahead and click clear. So you have your basic view. You can change your views by clicking on the view menu, going down to scientific. Wow, you got cosines, sines, tangents. We can go on a tangent, but we won't. Let's go ahead and click on view. Go down to programmer if you're a programmer, and then view to statistics. But you know what I'm really interested in? I don't use any of these different views here. Let me click on view and go down to from basic to unit conversion. Of course, when I click on the view, it's still under statistics. Let me go back to standard and still have my view, my unit conversion. Because what's cool about this that wasn't in previous versions of Windows in the calculator was that I can convert from what? Click on the drop down arrow, and if I want to be able to convert from, let's say, volume, select volume, and what is the volume? Is it cubic centimeters? Is it a liter? Or let's say it's a US gallon. Let's say I have 1 gallon, and it automatically converts it down below to cubic meters, or how about a liter? So 1 US gallon equals 3.785 on and on liters. And don't forget, you can do it vice versa. You can say that this is going to be a liter, and we want to convert that to a gallon, US, and it's about 1/4 of a gallon, or come up here, 3.75, and it automatically updates pretty close to a gallon. So what's nice about this is that I don't have to go to the internet to do a search to find out the conversions in volumes here, or click on the drop down arrow, energy or area or length for that matter. Click on the drop down arrow, feet, inches. In any case, I'll let you search the rest here. Let me come up here, click on the view menu, go down to date calculation. So if you want to calculate the difference between two dates, or click on the drop down arrow, add or subtract days to a specified day, go ahead and choose the one. And the difference between these two dates, well, it's not going to be much here because it's the same day. If I go out to the 22nd, I click on calculate, it says the difference between the two is 2 weeks, and the difference in days is 14 days. So that's nice. Click on the drop down arrow, add or subtract days to a specified date. So if I say today, January 8th, I want to go ahead and add 10 days, calculate. 10 days from now, it will be January 18th. And then moving on, click on the view menu. Let's go down to worksheets. We can calculate our mortgage, if we purchased a vehicle, how long it's going to take to pay that off. Let's do our mortgage. The default's monthly payment. You can click on the drop down arrow, calculate down payments, purchase price. In any case, I'll keep it simple, monthly payment. What's the purchase price of our home? We'll say $150,000. Hit the tab key, down payment, maybe it's $25,000. Terms of years, let's do 15 at an interest rate of maybe 7%, and then click calculate. So it's about $1,100 for my monthly payment. Okay. Come up here, click on the view menu, go down to worksheets. You can calculate your vehicle lease. Of course, you can click on the drop down arrow. You can do the lease period, lease value, periodic payments. Again, just go ahead and type in the numbers, hit calculate, and you're good to go. And then don't forget, you have a few more here. You can calculate the fuel economy in miles per gallon, or looks like in liters. Go ahead and click on that. Not too difficult to figure out. In any case, those are the new features to Windows 7's calculator. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.